Every intelligent program, from Google search to self-driving cars, makes millions of decisions every second. But how does software actually decide what to do? That is exactly what you'll learn today. Conditional statements, explained from the inside out and benchmarked across C++ and Python. A conditional statement evaluates a Boolean expression, then selects an execution path. If the condition is true, the true branch runs. If it is false, control skips to the alternative. Without decision-making, a program could only ever replay one fixed sequence. It could never react, adapt, or become intelligent. The if statement exists for one job: run a block only when a condition holds. C++ marks the block with braces. Python marks it with a colon and indentation. Same logic, different contract. Underneath, both become a compare plus a conditional jump. Constant time, O of 1, with no extra memory. Use a plain if when there is nothing to do in the false case. If-else expresses a complete, mutually exclusive choice: adult or minor, pass or fail, day or night, online or offline. The condition is tested once. If it is true, the first block runs. Otherwise, control jumps straight to else. Both languages compile to the same shape. C++ wins raw speed, Python wins reading speed, and readability is what you maintain. When there are more than two outcomes, we chain conditions into a ladder. Else if in C++, elif in Python. The runtime scans the ladder sequentially and stops at the first true condition. Later branches are never evaluated. So, ordering is performance. Put the most frequent case at the top and always finish with a default else. A nested if places one decision inside another. Admission checks, online banking, level unlocks. Execution stays constant time, but every level doubles the mental paths. Deep nesting is where bugs hide. The professional fix is the guard clause. Invert each condition, exit immediately, and leave the happy path flat. When one value selects among many fixed options, a ladder becomes noise. That is why switch exists. Python had no switch for decades. Dictionaries filled the gap until 3.10 introduced match case with structural pattern matching. Switch generally performs well for many discrete constant cases. Match case is more expressive. Dictionary dispatch is ideal for mapping keys to functions. In C++, a missing break falls through to the next case, a classic and costly bug. The ternary operator compresses an if-else into a single expression that produces a value. C++ writes condition (A:(B). Python reverses it. A if condition, else B. Performance is identical to if-else. The real limit is readability. Chain 3 of them and you have written a puzzle, not code. Now the benchmark. 8 constructs, scored across speed, memory, readability, effort, maintainability, and scalability. C++ wins raw execution because branches compile to machine-level jumps. Python wins clarity and development speed. One decision is generally constant time. Complexity comes from what surrounds it: loops, recursion, and data size. Pick the construct that matches the shape of the decision, not the one that looks clever. Every system you use is a cathedral built from conditions. ranking, recommendations, payments, fraud detection, collision avoidance, thread scheduling, all decisions. Performance-critical layers like operating systems, engines, and trading systems lean on C++. Orchestration and AI lean on Python. 6 mistakes cost beginners the most time, and every one of them is preventable. Broken indentation in Python, missing braces in C++, assignment instead of comparison, unreachable branches. And the 2 silent killers, a forgotten break and no default case at all. Best practices are not style opinions. They are how large systems stay changeable. Name your conditions. Flatten your nesting. Choose the construct that matches the decision's shape. And always handle the case you did not imagine. That is the one production will find. Let's consolidate. 8 constructs, 1 mental model. The construct you choose should mirror the shape of the decision. That single habit separates beginners from engineers. Conditional statements are the brain behind every intelligent application. If this made decision-making click, like, share it with someone learning to code, and drop your questions in the comments. Next up, loops and iteration, where programs learn to repeat work efficiently.